Alright everybody, here's Johnny. And look at all this swag I got here. It is time for the PlayStation 4 chainsaw unboxing video. And on top of that, look at all these beautiful copies of Battlefield 4 that I got here. New subscribers, you get one of these nice fancy schmancy boxes. Yeah. Look, I literally have enough here to tile the floor in my bathroom. Isn't that awesome? Alright, as promised. Oh, and another thing I got is this nice PlayStation 4 Bear Grylls survival pouch for when you're out of water and you need to save your own life. Alright. First I'm going to take this nice protective sheet off of the chainsaw. And right now the time here is 12 something in the morning. So it's still midnight here where I'm at. So yeah, I don't want to get tased again by the police, because police tasers hurt way more than civilian tasers. So I can't rev it outside, because my neighbors are all a bunch of narcs. So I'm just gonna saw through everything using the chain. Ugh. I need to get a tripod for this thing. Lock it in place. Yeah. Alright. That should get me through this first sticker here. This is like something perfect for fail blog or something. And it's open. Open sesame. Alright, here's my shiny new controller, which it's now already blinking that pretty blue PlayStation blue color, and I don't have to use that chainsaw to cut that open. And wow, this feels a whole lot nicer than the previous generation. It's got this protective film. Oh, that feels on its touchscreen. It's nice. Clickety click click click. Alright, I'm gonna put that aside. Now, free special offers for PlayStation gamers. Alright, I'll put that aside for now. Welcome to the world of PlayStation. Ain't nobody got time for literature. And this is a power cable, USB cable, HDMI cable, and some kind of headphones. Awesome. Not that important. Now for the meat and potatoes. The PlayStation 4 itself. The rhombus of doom. Ow. Oh, that's bad. I hope that didn't damage it. Put this on a nice soft couch. And it unfolds. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. Check out this beautiful rhombus. Alright. There's the USB ports up front. There's the side view. Back view. Looks like optical, HDMI, Ethernet, some kind of auxiliary. I guess it's for the camera. which I don't have, and that's where the power goes. Again, nothing on this side. Back to the front. Check out this beautiful rhombus. Alright, that's it for this episode. Leave a comment in the sections below. Subscribe to my channel. And I will pick people at random who will win these that I will pick at random, because you guys are all winners if you subscribe to my channel. And last but not least, one lucky subscriber will win this infamous Second Son poster. Infamous Second Son on this side, and the Order 1886 on the other side. So whichever side you choose to display. Alright, that's it for this. Man, I made a mess. I gotta clean this up. Alright, I gotta go clean this up so I can install my PS4. And peace out. Subscribe so you can win one of these boxes of Battlefield 4. Alright, peace out.